additive laser product that's very popular in UP. Okay, and for this demo, I'll need a volunteer. Can I ask you to help me, please? So I'll just set this up. When I count to 3, you can help me to click on the OK to get this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So before Sunil has ended his presentation, I actually warmed up the laser printer because, as you know, laser printers typically need a few minutes to warm up. So I just want to show you that this is an apples-to-apples comparison because I warmed up the laser and it's ready to go. And you can see I've also chosen the same type of laptop model, same brand, so that it's really an apples-to-apples comparison again. Okay? And I'm using an official ISO test document, which is in PDF format, so I've not been able to manipulate or doctor the document in any way. And now the laser printer is just printing 2 pages, and the OfficeJet Pro 8500 has completed the 4-page document. Okay, so double the print speed at half the cost. Okay. The second demo I want to show you is that with this page that I've just printed out, I'm going to put it into water. Okay, and I want to show you that when I lift it out, the ink doesn't run, and I can run my finger through it, and the ink doesn't smear as well. We've made great improvements in our ink technology to make sure that our outputs are water resistant. And why this is important, because some of our customers in industries like the legal industry, for example, have a need to be able to print and archive the documents for a long time. So we want to make sure that our business printers will cater to those customer needs. Okay? And if you see in previous generations, with our dye-based ink, if we run the same water test, this will be the output that you get. The ink will run and all the data will be lost. But you can see now with the new pigment ink technology, when we run the water test, and even after the paper has dried out, the data is still intact and the output is still, there's been no change in the output. Okay? The third thing that I want to show you is that Sunil has mentioned that we have done a lot of third-party print quality testing with third-party vendors. Okay, so I've just printed out some sample outputs to show you what it looks like when we print a sample plot with a lot of fine lines. And the one on my left is from the OfficeJet Pro, and the one on my right is from Laser. Okay, so you see this is just one example where we do fine lines, where the PQ with the OfficeJet Pro is much better because you see less defect in the fine lines that it's able to replicate. Okay, and if you have time later on, I printed more sample pages where you can see the difference in the PQ between the inkjet OfficeJet Pro and the Laser. Okay, so in addition to better CPP.